This is Gagajoy's Cooking. I'm Gaga. Today we're going to be fixing something I've waited all day for. And it's shrimp tacos. It's Taco Tuesday at my house. Today we're going to start with shrimp. I've got 1.5 pounds of shrimp. I've taken the shells off of them and they've been deveined. And I'm going to add about maybe about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A tablespoon of chili. A half a teaspoon of cumin. And 2 teaspoons of chipotle or sriracha, either one. Chipotle or sriracha. And let's put a little bit of lime in there. Just one little squirt. Let it be sitting here for a while. Okay, now we're going to mix all this up together. And just let it sit here for a while we fix everything else to go with it. It actually moves quite quickly. I'm going to set it right here. Now this is the slaw for the top of the tacos. It's 2 cups of red cabbage. I put about 4 radishes in here, a half of medium-sized red onion, whole lemon, cut it in half and use the juice from a whole lemon, and I use the zest in here also. I put 2 tablespoons of honey and about a teaspoon of salt. Set that off. I have cut 1 avocado into small chunks. Now for probably the best thing of all is the sauce for it. Two-thirds cup of mayonnaise, 2/3 cup sour cream, 1 clove of garlic, a handful of cilantro, whichever one you want to call it, and about a half of a jalapeno pepper. We're going to put the zest of the lime, okay, let's put the juice. These are the smallest limes, and they're all over the place. They're all small this year for some reason. Okay, you dump your juice in here. That's about a tablespoon of juice, I would think. Shut it and salt. I forgot the salt. Oh, that's good. About a half teaspoon of salt. Might want to add some later, but that right now, that's good. Now that's perfect. Okay, get everything out here, because now everything goes real quick when you, after you get your sauce made. I'm gonna put it in this little bottle, but I'll do it when I have a second hand here. First of all, we're gonna do the taco shells. I've got the corn taco shells. Now everybody has their own. I'm just going with my corn. And keep them warm because the shrimp doesn't take any time to fix. Well, now we're going to do the taco shells. I put a little bit of oil on it with a brush on the top of my taco shells, and I've got about like a half a teaspoon of olive oil in here. You don't want them to get brown or anything, but you just want for them to soften up. Flip it over. Oh, we've done these so many times. See how well they do? Now some people like them to put them and get them almost blackened. We sort of we prefer it this way where they're just barely soft. To each his own. Now it's getting good and hot. Yep, perfect. Okay, we're starting off with the shrimp. I put about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the skillet. You probably don't have to do that, but I thought I would to start off. We'll probably have to do more than one batch. You want to give them time to spread out. This is the second batch. You just have to cook it like a minute on each side. Okay, this is the second batch. Now, let's fix the taco. These are still warm. Picture, and I'm doing it all with my fingers since it's just family. Avocados. Woohoo! Shrimp, shrimp, shrimp. We'll put a little bit of our sauce. You'll find it's the best thing on here probably. And our slaw. And yes, I will take a bite. Now, that was a big mouthful, I have got to say. Let me lay it down a minute. It's a lot of things get together, but they go real quickly. So I hope you'll try it. Now you can also use this for fish, and just instead of the shrimp, use any kind of fish you want, because the coleslaw, the avocados, the sauce all go beautifully with fish. So we've had a wonderful time today. The tacos were worth waiting for. Remember the joy, and we'll see you soon.